Hi yogis, Jennie Wise here from WiseMind Yoga, Science and Soul, and I am out here on our beautiful lake here in Cary, North Carolina on the back of our studio. And I am here to personally invite you to our Science and Soul of Success and Sacred Soul Flow that we're going to be having on Saturday, October the 5th. This is for boss babes, this is for moms, this is anyone looking for living their best life and having success at home, and for those of you that work in the business world or own your own business, having success in your business. So this is really about living your best life and living a balanced life. So I wanted to share with you, we're going to be sending out this free quiz that will be on limiting beliefs. So basically putting a quiz together to assess what are some of your limiting beliefs. And this is one of the areas that we're going to talk about on Saturday, October the 5th. We will do a workshop in addition to actually doing a sacred soul flow practice. So we're going to cover 5 areas. One will be burnout and exhaustion and stress resilience. And these 5 areas that we're going to cover is where we have seen over 500 women and men that have walked through our doors. These patterns are the top 5 that we have seen in our mindfulness seminars and also in all the private clients that I have worked with as well. The second area is around perfectionism. So perfectionism, I am a recovering perfectionist, so I can relate to this, and there's many of us struggling with perfectionism. The third area, as I mentioned already, is limiting beliefs. The fourth area is self-doubt and comparison. So self-doubt and comparison, we're going to talk more about the inner critic voice and how we can start to change our human tendency to compare ourselves to others. The fifth area is our purpose and our passion and our gifts. So those of you out there that maybe don't feel connected to your gifts, to a passion that you may have, we're going to talk about how you can connect to that, and we're going to do exercises on identifying those gifts and passions. So in each of those 5 areas, we will also do exercises and journaling and discussions around each of those 5 areas, and we'll have a lesson in each of those areas. So again, this will be something that we'll share on our Facebook page, this limiting beliefs quiz, and we are so honored and grateful for every single person that has stepped through our doors, and we are so excited to share this workshop and the Sacred Soul Flow and Mastermind with the community, and to continue to be in service of all the lessons that we have learned. So again, see you Saturday, October 5th, 9 a.m. and I will put the link in the comments, and I will also put all the incentives in the comments, such as the first 25 people do get a $29 set of beautiful meditation mala beads, and we also have a refer a friend program. I will put that all in the comments. Again, namaste. I hope you have a great day.